Games that claim real cash without deposit don't generate money from gameplay itself. They're funded through ads, sponsored installs, and promotional budgets from app advertisers who pay for user activity instead of upfront purchases. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of games people use to earn real cash without depositing money, how the reward systems actually work, and what decides whether payouts feel fast or slow. Start with what no-deposit cash games really means. These games don't require you to spend money to start. Instead, they reward you for watching ads, completing levels, or meeting in-game milestones. Once you reach a payout threshold, you can redeem rewards like PayPal Cash or gift cards depending on the platform. So the no deposit part only means you don't pay to enter, not that money is generated from nothing. First category is rewarded puzzle games. These games give you points for completing levels or daily challenges. Early progress feels fast, because beginner rewards are higher, but earnings slow down as levels get harder or rewards scale down. Second category is trivia-based cash games. These games reward you for answering questions correctly in timed or live formats. Earnings depend on accuracy and participation, but availability of live rounds affects how often you can actually earn. Third category is idle and simulation reward games. These games pay for time spent progressing in background-style gameplay. You earn by reaching milestones over time, but rewards depend heavily on how many sponsored game offers are active. Fourth category is arcade-style reward games. These include simple tap, stack, or reaction games. They feel easy to play, but payouts are usually tied to ad engagement or session length rather than skill alone. Fifth category is offer-based gaming apps. These platforms host multiple games from different advertisers. You choose which games to install and complete objectives for rewards, but tracking speed can vary depending on the advertiser system. Now here's what actually matters when choosing one. Offer availability is the biggest factor. If there are no active sponsored games, earning stops even if the app is installed. Tracking reliability is the second factor. If your progress isn't recorded properly, rewards may not appear even after completion. And payout thresholds matter more than most people expect. Some apps require higher balances before cashing out, which makes earnings feel slower. So instead of searching for free cash games, the smarter approach is picking apps with consistent game offers and reliable tracking in your region. Summary: no-deposit cash games are funded by advertisers, not gameplay profits. Speed depends on offer availability, tracking accuracy, and payout limits. No game guarantees consistent earnings for every user. Next step: try one no-deposit reward game and complete a few early levels to see how quickly rewards actually track on your device. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.